Welcome to the Philippine TLE channel, Featured School of the Day. Our featured school is Malolos City High School, Bungahan, by teacher Josephine Ramos. How to make canape. Canape is a small piece of bread or pastry with savory toppings, often served with drinks at a reception or formal party. The canape of Malolos City High School, Bungahan.
Boil the chicken, boil the egg. Don't forget to wash your hands. Shred the chicken. Put oil in the pan. Fry bacon until golden brown. Cut the bacon into small pieces. Toast the bread in oven. A pinch of salt. Put a smashed boiled egg and mix. Pepper, magic syrup, and mix. Add mayonnaise. Add bacon. Chicken spread, bacon, eggs, mint leaves, bread cutouts.
If you want to be featured in our TLE channel, comment down below or send us your email address. This is your Philippine TLE channel. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.